Ramogi TV. Oganda jo Kenya kwa mondo omi piny owacho mar Kenya Kwanza thuolo mar tiyonegi. Bishop ma kanisa mar Orthodox Neophytos Kongayo kwa josiasa mag Azimio kod oganda jo Kenya mondo omi piny owacho thuolo mar chanore kendo timo tije ma ok gisewogi e kinde ma piny owacho kore kochako tich. Ne olose kinde mane side kom kaka bishop mokwongo e gwenge mag Eldoret kod Nyanduat ma Kenya.
Let's give the president and his cabinet time to organize themselves and to give us all that God has provided for them, for this nation. We know that we have a president who loves God. We have a president who fears God. We have a president who loves Kenyans. We have a president who is passionate about his work. Let us give him time and pray for him. Elections are over. It is time for development. We thank God for peaceful elections. We heard and we cannot allow any political storm to derail the democracy we are currently enjoying. Tuna enjoy haki kabisa. Yes.